Incredible. I'm live, I think. Maybe. Yes. I'm live, I think. I'm in fact live. Incredible. Okay. So. It's time. But first I have to send this to people, I guess. Here. Okay, I think that's it. So, I've done some grinding off camera. Let's switch music. Let's turn it off for a second. This is what I have right now. There's some really cool sound design here. And so basically I have 3 different types of weapons. Of course we have the regular weapons that actually deal damage. And then we have buffing weapons. These buff the next weapon that's after it. So you can like do this, and this will give 2 times damage to the next weapon. So you can stack multiple of these buffing weapons, and they'll still buff this one. I can actually show that in a little bit. And these are modifiers. So you can put these after a weapon, and they will apply to that weapon permanently, and then they get deleted from your deck. So as you can see, this does a cool spin, and so it has a ×2 modifier. Let's quickly wait for this to finish. And so I can buy another one, and if I do this, it's gonna get 2 ×2. As you can see here. Yep, 2 ×2. And so the blue gem, you buy that, put it after it, and it will apply to that. I don't think I have the damage for this, but whatever, I'm not gonna die because I haven't implemented that yet. So it's just gonna spin and apply it to the thing. So now if I look here, yep, blue gem, plus 25 damage. So let's fight. And this will deal a lot of damage, as you can see. So that's basically the idea of the game. And now I just have these placeholders currently. And this is bugged. I'm not sure why. But it is bugged. That's weird. Because these guys shouldn't have the blue gem on them. Even though I just applied it to this. Whatever. So we're gonna make content now. Because I'm like actually out of tasks for today. Kind of. I have to do that, but that shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna start with weapons, honestly. Although I could totally do gemstones as well. And these guys, these buffing ones. Or, you know what? Actually, these gemstones are pretty easy to do. Yellow. I think it should be pretty easy. I'm not sure. Maybe not the yellow one. The rest should be pretty easy. Okay, yeah, let's do this. So the way this works currently is that I have a script like this. And there's this use function that takes in the damage and the weapon. So you just modify that damage and then you return a string for the labels when you like the hit markers. So it's like actually shows plus 25 and stuff. And so the other buffs shouldn't be that hard to make either. Let's start with the red one. Buff damage boost. Or it should be base damage, I should say it. base damage. Okay. What? Oh, the modifier. Yes, and then we have, this is damage multiplier, so modifier damage multiplier. Yes. You are the red gem. For now I'm just gonna put red here. This is times 1.5. Incredible. I've been pinged in Discord. Okay. And then we have yellow gem is probably hard to do. Let's do purple gem. Weapon count. Multiplier. Sure, we're gonna have some insanely long names, but whatever. Purple. Yep. It's amount of weapons divided by 3. That should be not spawn weapon, just weapons. And I'm gonna divide that by 3. And this should be, hey, this is a plus modifier, right? Yes, it's a plus modifier, so it has to be 1.2 plus that. I guess just call it mod. Can you even do that? No, you can like just round it to like this. No, I'm pretty sure you can do something like that. Give our time to Google then. Oh, wow, these I got these. Wow, okay, sure. You know what? We're just gonna do that then. Incredible. Yeah. This should be fine. Then we have the green gem, which I actually tested. That's +1 permanent damage after each hit. Sure. That's, yeah. Wait, why? They called all of these buffs. That's not correct. Oh well. Gonna fix that later. By later, I mean now. Yes, hello chimp. This is not cursed at all. It's fine. It works perfectly well, and you can do whatever you want. So yeah, it's used in other places as well. So you can like customize it here. Is lime a color? I hope lime is a color. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can just do this, right? I think so. And then this just returns damage. And nothing else. Lime is not a supported color. I can just do... It totally is. It's right there. I believe in it. Okay, so I have all of that except yellow, because I don't think that's different. But wait, actually I can just check here. It's right there. There you go. So yes, this is perfect UI design. Okay, so now I have to add stuff for this. Stream not updating. No, it's definitely updating. Can I move these up? Nope. Can I actually not move it? I can move them up. Go up. Up. Thank you. Yay. Okay. Red gem. To add all the keys, we have green and purple. Okay, cool. And then for the red one, it's just this. The green one is this. Yes, I'm back. Hello there. This is the green one. Yeah, it's definitely on your end, because I'm not dropping any frames. I need to like... You know what, that's fine for now. I'll deal with it later. So now I have to make a bunch of clones. Of these guys. I kind of want to make this smaller. I'm gonna have a proper model for this soon. But for now, they're just gonna stay prism. This is blue gem. red gem. Then we have green gem. And we have the purple gem. Yeah, but like, I can make this better. Doesn't have to be just a prism. So you're the green one. Just like incredible. You're the red one. And you're the purple one. Yay. Okay, so now I just have to come here. Blue gem. And then red gem. Purple gem. Green gem. So the green one is... Yes, this is the main scene. It's just... Yep. Also this, but like... So the UI is like done in a way where there are just a bunch of node 3Ds and then the UI is just moved there. So like this is where the player's money is, this is where the shop title is. So it just moves the extra UI there. It's done with just this single line of code. It's very cool. Yeah. The green one is the permanent damage one. Okay. There is a label 3D, but label 3D doesn't have a rich text variant, and I don't want it to be affected by the pixelation shader. That's the two main reasons. It's pretty useful. The purple one is the funny one. Purple gem. I'm not getting a VTuber model now. So hi Jolly. Yes, this is the damage multiplier. This one is supposed to be the base damage one. Red gem. And you're the green one. Yeah, my skin is very smooth. It's not. It's just this very low quality camera. By that I mean it's just 720p. Because otherwise the battery would just drain too fast and yeah. It can't keep up. Yes, I'm not a cute anime girl. You're right on that. What do you mean like easily? No. How does this look like? Incredible. That looks beautiful. Yes. I feel like I need to give more money to the player at the start. I wanna try this one. This will go into this one. Apparently. If my code isn't trash. Like I would die here, but whatever. We're just gonna ignore that. And I'm gonna die again. It did go up. Does it actually show? Yeah, it does. It's on 12 now. Instead of 10. Wait, so I can actually like remove that. Like the modifier, like change it out for something else, and then it will keep the base damage. That's kind of actually smart. I'm gonna give myself some money. I can actually test. Assume this one just works. Well, I still can deal enough damage. Oh well. Wow, that's not very helpful. Let me just skip another turn and die again. That one did work. He gave me more cubes, thank you. I want this one and this one. But I know this one works. Yeah, sure. This will have some weird multiplier, I guess. Let's get more stuff. And this has 18 damage already. That's times 4. Wait, that's a times 4. How was that a times 4 multiplier though? Because that shouldn't have been that much. You're writing string parsing functions instead of making the game. Just make the game. Surely it's just that simple, right? Because if I put this here, buy another one of these, I didn't want to fight. Actually, that's gonna just test what happens if there's nothing after it. In theory, nothing should happen. Dev console moment. Yep. Okay, it doesn't crash or anything, that's cool. Yeah, put this here, put this here. Yes, keep multiplying that one. Yes. Let's speed it up a bit. Yes, that's gonna be perfectly balanced. Okay. So we have these guys. I'm just gonna do that. So we need the weapons. I kind of want to do the bows because they are definitely the funniest ones. Those are the gambling weapons. But they are also hard to animate, so maybe not. But let's just do something simple. Let's do the knife. I don't believe in myself, but maybe. No, they sound really good. They have a base damage, so they always deal some damage, but sometimes they just deal a lot of damage. And so that makes them fun. Because gambling. I should probably get a reference up. Because I shouldn't be trying to do these. Yes. No, you get more money. Get more money based on how much extra damage you deal. There is a limit, but you get more. You can get a max of 25. And also big numbers. Like, come on, chimp, you wanna see big numbers, right? Also, I don't wanna do it like this is dumb. So, is my... Wait. Okay, so we're gonna turn off camera because my phone will die in like a few minutes, so yeet. I'm still here, by the way. I just need to turn shit off. Because apparently, if it's not already charged up, then it just can't survive. I don't know how you did it last time, because last time it was completely fine. But oh well. I guess we're going cameraless now. How unfortunate. You can't keep seeing my anime face. Anyways. Alright, cool. See you later, chimp. So good luck. I assume this is how people do 3D modeling, right? Like, surely. Move this a bit closer. This definitely shouldn't be that thick, for sure. This in half. Then like move this in. Sure, why not? And it's not actually a thing, wait. Okay, now it's a bit more acceptable. Then just round these corners. Before that I need to fix the scale. Incredible. Maybe these ones as well. Yep. This probably should be like thinner. Then same for this. Then we have a blade. Let's not do it that way. Let's do it with a plane. This looks small actually. I don't know, it looks like a blade to me. Solidify. I need to sharpen this part. 0.5 is too much. Actually, no, it would be exactly how much we would need, but I'll do that. And I would have to like grab this and like move it in somehow. This looks a bit sus. Oh, that's why. I need to cut this up. Like that, yeah. I still can do smoothing, so smoothing or whatever. Why? Why can't I do that? No, I totally can do that. Just messed up. And this looks good. Except maybe this part at the top. Yeah, we need to like move this in. Yeah, sure. And then this we have multiple materials actually, because I wanna make the gems change the color of the edge. Maybe. That could look sick. So this is of course metal colored. And then we would have like red here. Or blue or whatever based on what gem you have. And this is... what color is this? Sure, we can do black. And this would be like brown-ish. Maybe also just black. Incredible. Oh, there's this part here. It's probably a bit too much. We see. Let's combine all of them. There's still a weird break there. Oh, never mind. Just turn it off. This is knife. I should move this down there so I can spin it. So let's copy the test weapon. This will be knife. Gonna apply that, and it's gonna have a base damage of, I don't know, like 15, 20. Let's do 20. Base price of 7, sure, let's do that. Or 6. Knife. Knife description. Okay, then I need to copy, duplicate the cube. And actually import the mesh. Bam, that's a bit big. Still massive. Maybe. She wanna copy this material over. Or deleting. I can use it as a template. Brown. Then just make it dark and desaturated. I think this is the handle. I'm gonna use this. Actually, not the dark one. The grey one. And this one I need a metallic one. I'll copy this over. Yep. Make it metallic. Lower roughness a bit. Maybe I should just steal this one and then make this bright. Yeah, sure. Bright. And then the blade will be this one for now. Incredible. Yep. And I need a sound effect for this as well. Currently just does this. Oh, and this needs to be flipped as well. Kinda just wanna see how this looks like in game. Knife, not the blend file. The prefab, okay. Now I just have to add it to the shop as well. Knife. Of course I don't get it. Let's just give myself a bunch of coins. I have too many modifiers and gems and stuff. But can I get the knife? Give me the knife. No. You should add the console command to just refresh the shop, right? There it is. Wow, that looks interesting. Incredible. I think it's big. Or, I think it should just be at an angle. I think. So it would be like this by default. What? Like 30 degrees maybe? This way they don't look so dumb. I think they're still big though. So let's make them a little bit smaller. Maybe that. Can also the animation. I only need to deal damage once. I kind of want to just do a stab. That's the plan. So this guy just goes 90. I mean negative 90. Yep. Just duplicate it. Then I need to duplicate this as well, so it's like not dumb. It's still kind of dumb. Yeah, something like that. Just way faster. Yeah, sure. And then it's at the peak here. So we damage and play some there. We do that. Play a whoosh here. And then I don't need another one afterwards. I think this should go farther, right? Sure, let's try it out. course I'm not gonna get any of the things I want. So I kind of wanna add price randomization. Plus minus like 20%. Yay, a knife. Let's get a damage multiplier as well. Yeah, the scale looks about right now. What? Oh, the particles, yeah. Forgot. I want to move that. Whatever. And that's not bad. Kinda like that. But actually, let's make it like stick around a little bit longer. So it would do this should go farther though. And then this should definitely not go that far. Like, that's way too far. And go back a little bit. It's too much. Yeah, sure. Also, I need to add sound effects to placing down stuff. I'm not sure if the animation actually updated. Let me add some stuff in here. I feel like this could be longer. It kind of loses the impact when it's so fast. And like, if there's already a broken armor effect on it, then it doesn't look that great. I want to have the VFX already finished before it reapplies. Yay, knife. Thank you. So kind of thinking of doing an outline for the weapons. They would be more visible. Also, that should definitely rotate back. And kind of keep this around a little bit longer. So I feel like this is way too horizontal. Like, is it not? I feel like here it should like go down a little bit. Not that much. It's still a bit too much. Like here as well, this should go lower. Yeah, that's a bit better. And you probably don't stab someone like this, right? Like not at this angle. I mean, I don't know. I'm just assuming stuff. I feel like this is more acceptable. Yeah, I kinda like that. Look at it again. Sure. So that's this guy done. Incredible. Which one should I do? It's like sort of easy. I mean, hammer is not that hard. So let's do hammer. Why not? Let's go in order actually. So weapons, hammer. By hammer I mean it should be a sledgehammer, more specifically. But I'm gonna keep it called as a hammer. This guy doesn't apply any status effects, because base damage will be like 50 though. What do I want to do here? Oh yeah, I want to do this. Okay, let's go here. Okay, cool. So I need to duplicate the knife. Call it a hammer. And then I have to make a model for it. So, time to get a reference up. Okay, cool. It's something like this for the handle. This is way too high poly. I forgot to lower the vertices to something like 8. I think that's what I used for the other one as well. Okay, we have the handle sort of. I'm gonna round these two down. So wait, does this stick out at the end? Yes, it does. Yeah, then make it a little bit longer. And it's basically a cube. It's a cube with its edges rounded. No, only the corners. So it's this. 0.20, no, 0.5? Yeah, sure. And then it's just these two sides extruded outwards. Boom, you have a sledgehammer. Incredible. Oh, hello there. Oh, GM. 4 years and you never worked on something, right? Depends what something is. I'm sure you made some projects in that time. Yeah, this needs to be longer actually. Well, then you did work on something. You might mean that you haven't finished anything, which I mean, that's fair enough. Never published, yeah. Have you been doing any game jams? Because that's the best way to do that. I'm not gonna add anything to that. Do you want to add some place where I can decorate it? You should try doing more gems, I think. They're really fun and they just force you to finish something. If you have the time, you can always just do it. There's plenty on each. But where do I add a pattern to this? I guess here? Most interesting making games 2024. What do you feel it now? That's good. You just have to get into that mood and then it's just gonna go well, I think. Yeah, and I'm just gonna add a color to this. There's like a gemstone applied, then it's gonna look cool. Maybe I could actually make this look like proper gemstone actually. Like this. It's not that visible actually. It's probably a bit too big actually. Yeah, let's make this smaller. Yeah, that's more like it. What happens if I just rotate it? It does look better, although it messes up the entire thing. Wait. You know what? That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Although, you know what? No. Let's just remake the faces, actually. Because I don't like the look of that. Even though it's probably fine. Yeah, this is a lot better. Don't want it to look weird in the engine. Although I don't think it would. Yeah, let's just combine these, and then we have a hammer. Yep, that sounds where you would grab that. I'm just gonna like bonk. Hammer. As I think this is the first time I'm making a game with like proper weapons actually. Now that I think about it. Like I've had like low poly swords before. But nothing more than that. Kind of interesting actually. So hammer. Bam. Well, that's huge. That's still really big. 0.05? Okay, a sledgehammer is probably bigger than a knife, right? Like by a lot. Like 7 maybe? And the handle size is about the same. This looks good to me. I'm gonna save this as a handle material. So I can steal that. Actually, let's use the darker one here. Maybe I'm gonna put some texture on it later, not sure. So for the animation, of course it's not gonna do this. That's kind of dumb. Let's actually get rid of these. So I need it to go back like 20 maybe. And then like quickly just go to like here. Okay, that's that's a lot. Yeah, something like that. And then position wise, I'm just gonna like here. Oh, like that. And then this goes back to the original spot. Yes, of course. Makes sense. I think this could be longer. And this is probably too fast for a sledgehammer. And this is too slow. Can I? No. You know what? It's fine. Then damage and play sound would go here. Hit particles as well. Then we don't have any status effects. Yeah, and then I need to move the heat particles up here. Kind of something I forgot for the knife. It should be here. Actually, no, they should be at the tip. So now I have a working hammer. I'm pretty sure. Weapons, hammer. You're the knife still. Hammer. That's the blender file. TSCN, okay. So let's see if I can even get it in game. Of course not. Did I add it to the shop actually? Oh, I didn't. Let's just restart to make sure it can actually like appear in the shop. Oh my god. Oh, it's so big. Yes. It's not bad. It rotates a little bit too much. Here, this is too much. Let me reduce this a bit. Oh yeah, that's better. Yes, damage multiplier. Yes. I definitely feel like I can make it more impactful. Definitely with sound, because right now you're just using the sound from the cube. Just deals 300 damage, that's very funny. I like that. Yes, another hammer. Just wanna see hammers. Okay, cool. We have the hammer incredible. Next. Katana is... That's hard to animate. Sword is just deal damage, wow. Surely I can do something with sword that's not just deal damage. Actually, I think Katana should attack 3 times, like attacks, yeah, 3 times, yeah. Yeah, sure. The sword is just... No, sword should deal damage twice. And then Katana does 3. For like slightly less damage. Because why not? I need to do more status effects as well. Because I feel like I should have more status effects. Although those are the hardest to make currently. You know what, let's do the bows. Because I just have to make 1 bow and then I have 3 weapons done. And that all of them are gambling related, so... kind of have to do that. This should be a cylinder, actually. And I'm gonna get a curve here. Arc. What does this do? Oh. How cool is that? Okay, let's use this. I can increase the radius. Yeah, 3 is definitely enough. And this is good as well. Does this have a mesh? No, it doesn't seem like it. I should be able to... There's curve here. Bam. Yep. And then I just have to do that. Extend. And then just like put a bunch of loop cuts on it. There's like a... what? There's a keybind for this, right? Definitely not 100. Make this way thinner. Yep. Okay, this should be good. Wait, no, I should like do this. Scale? Oh wait, I already curved it. Yeah, that looks about right. And I'm just gonna put a thing at the end, so it doesn't look weird. You feel like this should arc less, right? Let me look at some references. And I should probably like... Oh god. Kind of messed this up, didn't I? I need 3 points for this. Then I wanna like move this in. This is more bow-like, apparently. Yeah, this is too much. Yeah, that looks about right. Sure. Let's go with this. And then... I need to add the string. Just use a cube for it. I need to make this even thinner. Need this to still show up in-game, which is the harder part. This actually attaches at the end, not like just randomly. Oh well. Then I need to make a bunch of cuts on this as well. Let's do 20 here as well. This is still quite low poly actually. I need the middle of this. Guess it's there. Yup. Yeah, sure, that looks good to me. Actually, maybe I do that. No, so let's do this. Where is it? Like completely random looking thing, but it makes it look cool, so I'm just gonna do that. Now, so I can add the gem color here. And also the middle section should probably be dark. Because that looks cool. Or it actually should be white. Yeah, sure. Now I need to rig this up actually. This is gonna be the interesting part. Can I attach these two? Like with a boolean or something. I don't think that's how that works. Whatever. Yeah, I kind of wanna make a copy of this. Like, save copy. And then we need a short and a long bow. So I can like start off from here. Because now I can't adjust the curve. Yeah, so this is now... Okay, this is good. So now I have to add an armature to this. Single bone, yep. And it should start from here, right? Because this is where the arrow will be. And you should probably be able to, like, drag stuff from there. Then it's just that, I guess. Can I join these two together? Let's not do that actually. So what happens if I... Let me name this to a bow actually. So I do this with automatic weights. Can I make this smaller now? Okay. So then if I go into pose mode, I grab this. That's weird. This guy just does nothing. I guess I would have to... No. Interesting. So this doesn't work. Let's do it like this. Maybe this works. Let's try this out. I not click on it. No, I very clearly have to do this the opposite way. What happens if I do this? That does look about right. And then I also... Yeah, that looks right. Okay. Bow. Mesh. Bow. I also need an arrow. Just... okay. That's fine. Weapons... bow. Should move this here. So that the pivot is actually good. I'm definitely removing that extra rotation. Okay. What is this used for? I have no clue. Let's copy this then and just make it white. What if I add an IK thing for this? Can I make this the target? Oh, I can. Yeah, this is definitely not the way to go. Okay, that's good to know. Can it fix itself? Thank you. So instead of just hitting someone with a bow, which I mean, I think is quite effective actually. I think we should still try shooting it. So I need to fix this rotation. I need it to move back a bit. Like this much. Then probably also do that. Just gonna like snap back to here, right? Pause here a bit. I think it should rotate more. Yeah, this isn't the same as this. That's why it's looking weird. Yep. And now I have to do the hard part. Actually modifying these guys. This does nothing. We need this. Bone 1 and bone 2. Something like that. I just have to fix this. What on earth is happening here? Oh, that's why. This middle part isn't red by either side. So it looks kind of dumb. I mean, it makes sense. Huh. Wait, why? I could just like make a line renderer for this, but I'm not sure if my pixelation shader would be happy with that. Maybe I just have to make this a separate mesh. That could also work. Or do I even need a string? Kind of interesting, to be honest. I'm not exactly sure why this is happening. Like, I have a good idea on why. Like, some of these ones are just not moving. That's the main reason. But that's still weird. I thought it should be moving. Could probably join these two together. Then what would happen? Let me clear the parent. Then reparent it. Then see what happens. These are just connected up weirdly. I'm gonna remove them from here. Not sure what that's gonna do. Let's do it like that. It's gonna happen now. Yeah. separate this. This is the string. And so I guess I can make like a second armature for this, right? Like exactly the same, because now this would actually work, I think. Maybe? Can I put an armature inside an armature? Yes. Then these with automatic weights. And this is mesh. String mesh. Bow mesh. So when I like move this around, so I'd have to move this. Okay, you know, that's kind of doable. This is fine. Ah, that reset the materials. Ah, that's unfortunate. And this is the white one. Yeah, I can move. I can't move this around. Yeah, I can rotate this. Still looks a bit weird, but oh well. Whatever. We have this. But why is that connected? And I have to move this. What is happening there? What? Okay, so something is still connected. Somewhere. There is nothing else here. So I don't know why that's connecting to that. Or wait, does the string have this? Maybe? Yeah, it totally does, yeah. Yeah, this and this one needs to get removed. Now this should be fine. Or not. Why? Why are you here? What is this neutral bone? Why are you here? Why? You know what? I'm gonna clear parent and then maybe now it's fixed. No, it's still not fixed. Okay, then let me clear parent again. And then remove all of these. Same thing here. And then parent them back. Okay, that fixed it somehow. Sure. Why not? Okay. So this guy needs to move back. Okay, you can't be changed. That's cool. So just need to move the wall thing. Back, like here. Actually, can I do object space? Yeah. Like here, sure. And then these guys. Add reset tracks for this. Feel like I need to move this guy a lot more back. Like this much. That. And that. What? Where did you go? Okay, well that's not what I wanted. Wait, what? Okay, something is bugged. Yeah, that's definitely bugged. Okay, let me reset the project. You would put Godot in the title of the video. Yeah, that's probably fair. As way less Godot game dev content than others, yeah. Also, hello there. I might do that next stream. Although to be fair, I don't think a lot of people watch game dev live streams anyway, so it's fine. But this is doing dumb stuff now. Yeah, why is this 0? Yeah, this is, yeah. That, yep. Mm-hmm. And then here is different. Why? I'm just gonna move it then. This looks great, by the way. The question is, can I make these cubic, or will that mess with rotation somehow? Okay, I can totally do that. Sure, cool. I just have to fix this, whatever that is. Why? Other than weights, because that's like the only thing that could be here. But no, these weights are perfectly fine. So that's weird and cool and stuff. Maybe I could like make this a triangle instead of a square. Don't think that would help out though. Maybe if I rotate this. That's fine, that's gonna get covered up by the arrow. You know what? I like this. Even though I've never made something like that, so I'm just gonna say that I like it. Heat particles, I'm just gonna put them here. I'm gonna replace these with something else later. For now it's gonna stay. So weapons. Make a bow. Bow. Base damage. 20 is fine. And then just put bow here. Base price of 7. And then I also have to do the RNG part of this, which is 25% chance to deal triple damage. I can do this two ways, and I wanna do it the animation way, where there's a 25% chance that it will play a different animation. So that way I can play different particles and stuff. And that's more juice. And more juice is good. That's kind of what I wanna do. I'm just gonna copy this. Sure, attack 2, whatever. And then I don't know, I just have some particles here or whatever. But this damage function, I need to change it to something else. It should be in here somewhere. Yep. Can I even do this the way I want to? Because this takes a weapon and buffs. I guess I can make a buff for it. I guess? Do I have a buff for that? Buff damage multiplier. I just do this, right? Then in here, I just make a buff, which is this. I duplicate it. Oh, I need to make an instance. Wait, what? Make an instance instead. Oh wait, I'm making a script. Wait, that's dumb. I don't want to make a script. This is a resource, right? Yeah, buff is a resource. No, this should work. Not new. The multiplier will be the mod, and then buffs dot band buff. Sure. And then inside here, instead of damage, it's gonna be damage with multiplier. We have a type float, which is free. Then when this is being played, as is being played, here's here. So here I need to pick randomly, but it's also weighted. Yeah, sure. So instead of just having this, I would have a array of strings. Does this work? Yes, okay. Then it's not anim name, it's anim name 0 here. For now. Let's do it this way. And then I have a weighted random function. Anim weights. Now OBS reconnect. No, yes, thank you. So we have animation weights. And I have a weighted random here. So I can just put this in here. And boom, we have weighted random. Very cool. So I just put my second... Ah, that's... array string. Yes, thank you. Tag 2. And then I have to specify that this is an array of floats. So this one we have 3 to 1. So that's 25%. And yeah. How should I... Guess I'm just gonna play a sound. They have a cool sound for this. Cupid one. No. Something like... Yeah, let's just play that right now, whatever. Effect. Shield. Break, destroy. I'm gonna play a sound at the start. Or like here. And then add the bow into the shop. Surely I'm just gonna get one immediately. Wow, that's big. Oh wow. I mean, yeah. Cool. But it's massive. That's normal. Okay, that's the stronger one. That does 60 damage. Yeah, that was a strong one. It was also... Wait, no, that wasn't strong. Wait, what? Huh. Oh, this does look weird like that. Put it on there. It is 90. Yeah, that was way weaker. Okay. I think it's working. Actually, no, it's not. Because that's only doing double damage, not triple. So the multiplier isn't working. I assume this part. Okay, hold on, let me check this. Godot resource. New resource. How does one make a new resource? It's just resource.new. That's what I have here. And so what if I duplicate it? Maybe then. Or when I make a new one of these. Is this one, right? Yes. But this would be free. And I can remove this. Then maybe that works. That's a lot of damage. But yeah, I think I need to make the bow more stylized. Yeah, that was definitely triple damage. Yeah, that's triple damage. I could just check with the last one. That's what I'm gonna do actually. Yes, hammer. Put that here, I guess, whatever. Yeah, that's triple. From 20 to 60. Okay, cool. Okay. Now I just have to change how this guy looks like. So to make it like chunkier, like this. Maybe not these last ones. Just make it just incredibly big for no reason. I know there are people on the internet who just like look at bows in like games and stuff, movies. They're not gonna like this. Okay, I need to just make this smaller, which is like fair enough. So is this the reset position? Oh, that's so far away. Wait, that's dumb. Go to like here. Where's 0, 0? Oh, it's there. You know what, that's fine. That's more reasonable, although it's still too high, right? Yeah, that's way too high. Also, I saw that this went off sync, yeah. Just the position is fine. I can just modify that real quick. What? It's not this, it's this one, right? Do it here as well. Alright, cool. Now what? Oh, yeah, I wanted to move this guy just lower. Like, there you go. Let's actually reset. Maybe even lower. Also, I have to move the hammers lower as well here. Because they just look like really dumb. Let's do knife here. Okay, surely I'm just gonna get like times 6 on that. Nope. Yeah, we just die here. I know I can deal like double the target. Why does that move though? Ah, never mind. I'm so unlucky. Wow. Never mind. Oh, I don't. These animations depend on that. No? That's kind of look weird. Yeah, these particles should definitely be like a large explosion. Not just a small hit, because, yeah, it's a hammer after all. Speaking of heat particles, I kind of want to save this as VFX there, and I'm gonna do the same for like... Wait, now I have to go through all of these because they have these guys. So can't I just do this and expect it to work? No. If I do this, no, it still deletes. I do it like that. No. Can I like replace this somehow? doesn't look like it. That's unfortunate. Although these heat particles won't be the same anyway. So I guess I can remove them from here. For the knife, I guess I'll just do it. Can you like put this on the animation? Like that? Does... No, that doesn't do what I want. Guess you just can't. These guys don't have heat particles. Okay. Guess it wasn't that much. I'm gonna make new heat particles for this guy. Just gonna go here and then make heat explosion. Why is it re-importing the bow scene? Yep, right there. Heat explosion. So this is how it looks by default. Wait, this doesn't even have the light. Where's the light? This is supposed to have a light, I think. Oh well. Because like... What? Never mind. Oh no, the other thing has light. Never mind. So, first change, I definitely want to make the star bigger. Maybe even a different star. Make it large. Let's see what kind of stars are here. That's like one of these ones. No, it's that one actually. Is this? Oh, this is actually just an explosion. This is an explosion as well. Let me copy this one over. Yep, and then for this one, I need more. And also make it like larger. Can I do it like this? And then I want this stuff from the broken armor. This. And then probably make this bigger actually. Let's try that. Wait, this is the wrong one. This one. Yeah, maybe increase the time. Especially for this one. And for the debris as well. Incredible. Now put that on the hammer. Says heat explosion. I'm pretty sure. Yep. And right here. I think the orientation is good here. Yeah. Hope that works as well. I mean, let's try. Wow, that's definitely a shop. Let's see how it looks like. Yep, sure. Gonna look at it one more time. Okay, the circle doesn't stay. Are any of these on local chords? No. So then, why does the ring move? To be honest, it looks fine. Just, yeah. Wait, are these in line? Yeah. Okay, cool, whatever. I'm gonna do the sound design later. And I'm gonna do like little circle things for the bow. So just copy, I guess, the explosion one. That has the stars already. We'll also use a star. Maybe the debris as well. Is there a way to set a delay? No. Guess I can do this. That's not quite what I'm looking for. I'm gonna change the material on this though. I mean texture. Not that. Or maybe this is fine, I just have to Yeah, do something like that. Let's try out another one. First one. No, that has a blob in the middle. Yes, this is the best one, right? Yeah, for what I'm trying to do. Let's make this large. And then for the debris, I'm gonna make this a box, I guess. 0.1, 0.1, and then make it just long. That's not long. Long. That's not long either. Yeah, that's good. Make a second one here. Make the star itself even larger. Also, I'm gonna move the debris a bit. We're gonna try this out. Okay, it is a bit too big, actually. These guys are definitely too big. 0.6, and let's make this 0.4. Like, put them closer. Then the star is big as well. Same for the debris, actually. Oh, that's why it's so big. Yeah. Let's try it out. Looks good to me. Just can't get it, I guess. Yeah, I really just can't get it. There it is. Two of them as well. Oh, I forgot to put it in the animation. Oh, I'm dumb. Call check. That, and I just need emit. We're not here. There. Can I copy this? No, I can't. Looks interesting from this angle. Although I'm gonna do some camera work later. So maybe it's gonna be fine by then. I'm really not getting the luck. Put the damage multiplier on one of the bows. That's that one. But actually, base damage would be a lot more worth it. For bows. I just can't hit it, what? It's definitely there, so... Don't know what's happening. Now I hit it. And that one as well. Okay, well, how long can I go for? Okay, purple gem is really good. Let's put it on this guy. Actually, a purple gem is just insane. On literally anything. Still somewhat over the limit, but not by a lot. I definitely need these damage multipliers. One here, and let's put one here. In this case, yes. In case this guy hits. So I'm gonna set speed. Yes. It hit 480. It's insane. Purple gems, sure. Let's put a purple gem on this guy. We put one on the first knife as well. Purple gem is definitely way too broken currently. I'll buy another one. Put it on the knife. And the hammer is the consistent damage, and then bows are just all gambling. Put a purple gem on that bow as well. This bow. Yeah, that's 170, that's pretty good. Nope, didn't hit it. It's getting dangerously close. Okay, now I'm just gonna buy a second one. I mean last one here. But yeah, 25 base damage for bow is really good. Except purple gem just outscales it. Yeah, we are now crushing it. Another purple gem. I wanna keep some money in case we get some buffing guys. That's a lot of damage. Yes. Let's go all in for this guy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's even nicer. Yes. Do you have anything on this guy? No. Not sure. Let's just start buffing the first cube for no reason. But yeah, doing a green gem on a bow and then switching to purple gem would be like insane. Yeah, I'm gonna do that on one of them. I guess this guy is last. I'm quite confident that I can hit the threshold. Yeah. I need buffing sounds as well. Bunch of bows. Let's keep buffing that one bow. It's almost an 8 times multiplier now. Maybe? Oh, there it is. That's the casual 1600 damage. 1600? Like, so just 600, never mind. Not gonna buy anything actually. That one hammer is still doing most of the work. Oh, beautiful. Yes. That bow has nothing on it. Wait. Yeah, let's start stacking that one as well. Actually, I should just stack this on my hammer, right? Like, that's gonna deal a ton of damage. Wait, it's only 600 actually. Oh, that's way too much. Okay then. That's still just 600, what? Wait, something is wrong. Hold on. Is the hammer... Yeah, it should be fine, but that's doing way too little damage. Like, this should be dealing a lot more, I think. How's the stacking going? 24? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's annoying. I did not think that would be an issue. Like, this should be dealing far more than just 700. Yeah, it's not actually applying any of the multipliers, wait. Is this applying them? No. Something is definitely wrong here. This guy isn't doing anything. This is buff damage multiplier. Wait, I should be doing this, right? Maybe that's the problem. Wait, that just means I'm... Wait, I would have been doing like 100k by now. I think. Also, that's also annoying. Get this fix. No. So I was basically playing without the modifiers, I mean buffs. Because this should be dealing a lot more damage. That's unfortunate. Also, I need to make the ramping way faster, because this is way too easy. Yeah. Let's actually do that. I think I have the Desmos graph saved for that. Just have to find it. So this is how it looks like now. This is logarithmic. And so this is just too slow. And this is too fast. So like 1.5. No, that's 1.7. That's too much. I feel like it's fine for the early game, but then it should like ramp up way faster. Because this is not enough. Actually, I should just where's game manager? This here. Say the counter higher than 6 as 0. This should make it a lot harder. But also, since the buffs haven't been working, I feel like it should be fine. There's a buff. Does this apply now? Yes. Yep, that does. They just messed up the code. Okay, well, I guess we're doing another run. Like that. Test cube goes first. We have armor, broken armor, and then we can just BAM! I'm gonna start stacking bow as early as possible. Yeah, see, I'm doing a lot more damage now. I can stack. Let's stack both of these actually. More damage multipliers. I'm gonna buy 2 test cubes. And put one here. It's a casual 600 damage. Second hammer. Or more, not more bows. Yeah. I'm gonna get a purple gem soon. Probably for the stacked up sledge. Depends on how much it's going to go. What? Okay, that's maybe a bit too much. Just maybe. Okay. Gonna have to hope for high rolls, I guess. Yeah, I don't think that's possible. Okay, hold on, let me like make this 0.2. Oh, that just breaks the ball game. Oh well. You know what, whatever. Time to end the stream. Because it's getting late and yeah. I'm gonna do some sound design stuff. Maybe more VFX. I'm gonna add an arrow for the bow. Because it looks kind of funny like this. Do even more VFX there. And that's gonna be it for today. Will I stream tomorrow? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Probably not, I assume. Maybe I stream on day after.